Okay, so I'm on the other side of the river right now, and some pretty cool looking housing everywhere around here. So I'm just gonna walk up and down the housing. This is part of it. Actually, this looks kind of cool. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Actually, this looks kind of cool too, just the setup of that. There's a train station. It's kind of interesting too. There's a train station right over there, so you can see the trains. One's not going by right now. But we're just gonna walk by and see some of this housing. And it's kind of like narrow buildings with really cool windows and balconies. Yeah, I really like it. So we're just gonna walk it. That's really cool. And we're gonna walk down to this mall over here. This is for rent. I wonder how much that would be to rent. We just have to call the number and find out. Yeah, it's pretty peaceful. Not so many people. So this is basically the other side of the river. I don't think there's many tourist stuff, but I think it might be an interesting place to live, potentially. I'm kind of approaching Bangkok in this particular trip, just thinking about the possibility of maybe trying to buy an apartment. Building for rent. Building for rent? The entire building is for rent? Huh. The Thai ornament department. It's interesting. Nice motorcycle. Pretty cool house too. It's really cool. Look. Oh, this over here looks like some commercial, a little commercial area. Okay. Bakery, I think. Easy corner. Huh. Okay. Oh, this is called Fest. You got some restaurants here. So Fest is like an outdoor shopping mall. There's Domino's Pizza right there. This is called the Cool Bar. This looks pretty cool. Huh. Some interesting stuff over here. Looks like maybe part of the same bar or a different bar. So the Sena Festival. I think they're selling a lot of condos over here. There's another sign right here, 7.9. Not sure what I don't really know the numbers. These are used shoes for 120 baht each. 120 baht is like $4. All used shoes. I think they shined them up. Look pretty cool. Hello. Oh, that's really cool. Huh. Wow, they got some cool stuff here. M Street. Huh. And way down there, there's a big mall that's has a lot of tourist attractions. Huh. So what I'm gonna do is walk the opposite way, and this way. And there's like foreigners and tourists all over the place here. There's some there, some down there, there's some there, there's some there. Nice beautiful walkway, it's typical in Thailand anyways. Huh. I like this area though. Kind of some older shops. Tattoo. Yeah, this whole area is interesting to me. Walking down the main street, it's pretty mellow. Cool looking housing, I think. I'm just gonna take a look at the housing over there. So, okay. I'm gonna finish this one right here, but I'm gonna keep walking down there further. Chiquinha, chiquinha.